Hi everyone, I'm Shalini and welcome you to my channel where I share tips, tricks and tutorials on how to create amazing designs and on other various topics. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. So today, as Etsy has banned in India, I want to talk to you about alternatives to Etsy to sell your digital products in India. You might want to consider some of these platforms. The first one is Sellfy. Sellfy is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets you sell digital, physical, subscription and print-on-demand products. You can create your own online store or embed your product on your existing website or social media. Sellfy has no transaction fee and offer powerful marketing tools and analytics. The second one is Gumroad. Gumroad is another e-commerce platform that allows you to sell digital and physical products as well as membership and pre-orders. You can customize your product page and use Gumroad's audience feature to grow your email list and communicate with your customers. Gumroad charges a 3.5% plus 3 cents fee for per sale. The third one is SendOwl. SendOwl is a platform that enables you to sell digital products from your own website or blog. You can create buy buttons, product widgets or checkout links and integrate them with various payment gateways and email marketing service. SendOwl has a flat monthly fee starting from $9 and no transaction fee. Fourth one is ConvertKit. This is a platform that combines email marketing and digital product selling. You can create landing pages, forms and newsletters to grow your audience and sell your digital product directly from your emails. ConvertKit has a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers and paid plans starting from $29 per month. These are just some of the alternatives to Etsy that you can use to sell your digital products in India. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so make sure to do your research and find one that suits your needs the best. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon if new to channel, comment and like if already subscribed. Till next video, bye bye.